Hey guys, welcome to another easy guitar tutorial. Today we are going to learn a beautiful song called What About Us by Pink. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar on standard tuning and you will need a capo on the first fret of your guitar. So put your capo on the first fret of your guitar and let's jump to the lesson. We got one chord progression for the entire song. It's E minor, C, and G, and again G. And this chord progression is played through the entire song. So in the intro, beside playing chords, we are going to add some melody to make that sound better. So we have E minor, C, and G for 2 times. But in the E minor, we are going to put our pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. After strumming E minor, we are going to play the 3rd fret. And then you are going to take your pinky and put your 4th finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string and play it twice. And you're going to take that off and play the open string. So, then we are going to switch to our C chord. After strumming, we are going to play open 1st string. Then you put pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and play it twice. And then take that off and play your 2nd string on the 1st fret. So, and now we are going to move to our G chord. After strumming, we are going to play open 2nd string and put index finger on 1st fret of the 2nd string and play that twice. And take it off and play open string. So, and we're going to play G chord twice. So in total, the intro part will sound like this. Now we get to the verse part, which is really easy because the chords are exactly the same. And we're going to add a new strumming pattern which goes down, 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 down. Again, down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. And we're going to play this strumming pattern once for each chord. So the verse part will sound like this. Now finally we get to the chorus part. Now in the chorus part, we're going to add a new strumming pattern, which goes down, up, down, up, down, down. Again, down, up, down, up, down, down. A little bit slower. Down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, up, down, down. A little bit faster. And also we are going to play the strumming pattern once for each chord. So the chorus part will sound like this. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and if you found out this lesson helpful, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorials. See you later.